Hello friends, welcome to Shenzhen HR Panda, the EAS system manufacturer for your customization. Many customers like to buy RF model system for the retail stores because no need to secure lights. Now today I'm glad to introduce our most cost-effective RF model system. The material is ABS. Now this is compatible RF hard tag for bottles. I will show the rigid detection. This is compatible RF hard tag for eyeglasses and sunglasses. So just tell me your store type and the door widths. I will customize for security solution according to the system and the compatible EAS accessories. Have a nice day. Bye bye.